Exterior color trends 2026. Exterior color in 2026 is getting bolder, but with a touch of nature-inspired restraint. House color is shifting from sterile grays to complex earthy tones with character. If your house still rocks flat beige or builder-grade gray, it's time for a serious update. Sage green is now the quiet hero of exterior color. It's calm, modern, and grounding. Think of a house with sage green siding and creamy white trim. It feels fresh, yet timeless. Terracotta is making a warm comeback as a house color, inspired by desert tones and clay textures. Exterior color inspired by burnt orange and rust adds a natural depth that flat colors can't match. Dark charcoal house exteriors are holding strong, but now with matte finishes and subtle green undertones. No longer jet black, this house color leans toward the mysterious rather than harsh. Blue-gray exterior color with cool undertones remains a favorite, especially in coastal regions. The house with blue-gray siding and navy shutters feels both classic and coastal. Brown is back, but not the 90s brown. House color now favors rich espresso and chocolate shades. Natural wood tones as exterior color treatments, like cedar or walnut stains, are trending in modern homes. If your house has wood elements, let them shine with semi-transparent stains instead of paint. Soft white remains a staple exterior color, but the new trend is toward warmer, creamy whites. Bright white house color can feel harsh. Ivory or bone adds a touch of sophistication. Deep green exterior color is surging in forested areas and mountain homes. A house painted in pine or moss, green, blends beautifully with nature and feels rooted. Muted clay and blush pinks are a bold but tasteful move for adventurous house color lovers. These house colors reflect sunlight differently, adding depth to the exterior without overpowering. Trim is no longer an afterthought, it's part of the whole house color strategy. Instead of stark contrast, 2026 trends show trim in tonal harmony with the main exterior color. You'll see houses with light taupe bodies and warm tan trim. It's layered, not loud. Black accents as exterior color, think doors, gutters, and window frames, remain a sleek choice. But even these black elements now have softer charcoal variations for a less aggressive look. Two-tone house color schemes are back, but with subtle shifts, like dusty blue paired with warm gray. Forget the bold stripes. 2026 is all about soft transitions in exterior color. Front doors are getting more playful with pops of unexpected house color, like marigold or muted teal. These accent doors give your house personality without committing to a full paint job. Brick houses are being lime-washed or painted in off-white and soft gray tones. This exterior color treatment keeps the brick texture while modernizing the overall house look. Metal roofs are influencing house color choices. Copper and zinc shades inspire entire palettes. If your house has a metal roof, match your siding with complementary earth or stone tones. Warm neutrals like mushroom and greige are top house color picks for understated elegance. They adapt well to both modern and traditional homes and age gracefully over time. Textured siding is trending, so your exterior color choice should enhance shadows and dimension. Matte and low-sheen paints are preferred to highlight the house's material over gloss. Exterior color in 2026 isn't about being loud, it's about being memorable and refined. Sustainability also plays a role. Low VOC paints and heat-reflective finishes are a must. House color trends are now influenced by regional climates and natural surroundings. What works for a desert house won't work in a coastal fog, context is key in 2026. Classic navy and white houses are evolving. Navy is deeper, and white is creamier. Color drenching, where the house and trim share nearly the same tone, is growing in popularity. This exterior color style creates a soft, monochromatic effect that feels modern yet cozy. Stucco homes are embracing sandy beige and pale olive as go-to house color options. Mid-century homes are showcasing bold avocado greens and goldenrod yellows again. Exterior color palettes are cyclical, but always reinvented for the era. If you're repainting your house, think timeless, face trend-inspired accents. The best 2026 house color, one that respects your home style and the land it stands on.